So ayun guys, for this video ay pupunta tayo ng ICAM kung saan gaganapin ang Baking and Pastry Culmination Day ngayong araw. So last week ay nagatin tayo ng culmination ng Culinary Arts and Barista. So yun guys, nandito na nga tayo sa ICAM. So habang hindi pa nagsisimulang program, nais kong samantalahin ng pagkakataon na may pakita at may pasilip sa inyo guys ang ginawa ng ating mga estudyante kagabi. Ito yung pinagpuyatan nila kagabi para may present sila ngayong araw ng Culmination Day. At ito guys yung mga natutunan nila sa loob ng mahigit 2 buwan na pag-aaral dito sa ICAM, gaya ng Asian bread, Asian sweets, European bread, European sweets, at iba-ibang klaseng mga cakes and bread na nakikita nyo ngayon. So maya-maya lamang ay magsisimula na ang program para sa ating Culmination Day ngayong araw ng Friday para sa ating Baking and Pastry Arts dito sa ICAM.
We stand before you in humble prayer. Before we start with our culmination, we realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and wisdom to all of us present here.
Thank you very much, Chef Philly. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. In behalf of ICAM, it is my pleasure to welcome every one of you to our beautiful venue for today. I'd like to extend a special welcome to our special guests who will be witnessing and judging the skills acquired by these bread and pastry students and also with the cake and bread. It's now decision time. Let us continue the culmination program activity. Back to you, Chef.
First panel of judge. His name is Mr. Junaid Kalimba Ali. Let us give him a big round of applause. Mr. Ali is a public servant and an advocate of poetry, single, and I don't know if this is updated. And he likes to promote outdoor sports. Occasionally, when time permits, he teaches practical etiquette and table manners to university students and professionals alike. So I think our judge for today is very much in need and exactly the one we need for today's culmination activity, because based on his resume and profile, he teaches practical etiquette and table manners. So that is what we need, especially during the culinary arts. I think we need our Judge Junaid Kalimba Ali. Our second judge for today's culmination is a friend of mine, and she also staying and living in the place where I am living also. She's Coach Opelia Utalan. He's very well known here in Jeddah and maybe in the entire Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. His base is almost everywhere. Every week I see him attending a lot of activities. I don't know how he manages his time, considering that in every activity for the Filipino community, he is always there. A very passionate community leader and an active member of OCL. Actually, he is the deputy director Am I right? Okay, let us give a big round of applause to our judge, Marciano Par Jr. Judge Peter Canimo. Okay, thank you very much, judges. They will call you one by one, and good luck to every one of you. Chef Bernard, let us give, as I call their names, let us give them a big round of applause. Because you know, they have stayed here maybe until yesterday. They were here preparing all these baked goods for you. So this is, whatever they have presented to you today is from their blood, sweat, and tears. Okay? So, another chef for today is Chef Donna. And then Chef Yupenia. Chef Jope. Chef Rudel. Chef Ronald. Chef Cheryl. Chef Veronica. And Chef Letty. Okay, so now judges, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please come and start the judging of the baked products. Yes, please get ready. You have your assigned task, pretty much ready to answer every question that you have. But please don't give them hard time because they have few hours sleep. And they were here since yesterday preparing all these goods for you. So enjoy and hope that you like all the items that they are presenting to you today. So please start the judging. And the guests, later on you can have your own tasting also right after the. You can have the plate here, judges.
So ito na yung time para yung ating mga judge ay umikot sa ating mga estudyante para tikman ang kanilang mga ginawa at magtanong. At the same time, magbigay ng suggestion para sa kanilang mga ginawa.
Halas. Bagay. Is this yours?
Joffrey.
Chef, kulang yung page niya.
So what you prepare for us is
4 pages. Chef, pero okay lang. So we might Asian bread, Asian European, cake.
Gusto ko lang malaman yung ano, kung, di ba, the purpose of this training
walnut cake.
for you to be connected
brownies. Saka yung brownies din po ginawa.
Yun lang medyo cost.
Size niya.
Kailangan tinitimbang siya para pare-parehas po yung size.
Pare-parehas yung size.
So for yung ginawa po is 50 grams.
50 grams. Ang maganda kayo sa kanya, yung kanyang size, pare-parehas talaga. Kumbaga,
Saka isa po sa kina-consider po na sir, after mo siya na-cut, pag nagawa mo na yung molding, i-rest mo siya para kailangan umalsa siya. Sa pag-alsa niya sir, yung
Kaya ko na nakita dito, parang ang sa ako nakita is pati-pantay yung kanyang makakagawa.
what's inside?
Kumbaga, sa Pilipinas, masabi natin, hindi lugi yung bili. Kumbaga, yung kanyang mga express. At least siya is okay. Hindi naman yung kanyang yung texture niya. Okay. Typical na talaga, typical na panisama. hindi siya, walang yung sa Pilipinas kasi, alam mo sa Pilipinas, oo, yung halos yung napipiga. Kasi puro siya air sa loob. Ilang oras pa tatagal yan?
So far, sa room temperature, kasi lalo pag na-expose siya sa Spanish bread, chocolate roll,
dito sa Spanish bread saka chocolate roll, ano yung process siya? Para makita ang difference niya.
Sa feelings niya. Sa chocolate roll, meron ng style na chocolate feelings. Tapos dito yung normal na Spanish bread.
Okay, Chef Roger, I think we need to upgrade our training center by putting up speakers in the side. And at this point, congratulations, Chef John Peter. And also at this point, Chef John Peter, I would like to ask you something about your experiences in doing the evaluation of our students and what tips you can give them.
Tips.
For those who have not heard what you have given to them as tips, maybe at this time you can give some to our chefs to improve their what they have learned.
Right.
Chef John Peter.
For improvement, of course, it's not you have to be done a lot of research and to check all the modern things that is happening now. Most specifically, you learn from the classic way. Because there are lots of instant powders or instant recipes nowadays that you can buy easily. But at least that you know already the technicality from the basic ones. You can improve that one through research and through like YouTube and even TikToks right now nowadays are very dominant. Aside from that, kagaya nung medyo idagdag din ako kanina, yung sinasabi na about the science and something like this about the culinary world or even the pastry, this one is also a math and science combination. Kasi it's not only about chemical structures of these recipes, but also proper calculations and how you're going to balance the ratio and proportions of the recipe. How can you adjust these recipes from other ingredients from one bread to another bread?
Thank you very much. Nice.
Thank you. Appreciation is hereby awarded to Miss Ofelia Utalan. Let us give her a big round of applause. Open.
Please po, bumili na kayo ng sabon.
Okay.
Sa ngayon ay distribution na ng ating certificate of appreciation para sa ating mga judges. So of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga judges na nagpunta at nagbigay ng kanilang oras. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga bisita na dumalo. Maraming salamat din po sa ICAM Management. At lalong maraming salamat sa ating mga estudyante na patuloy na nagtitiwala sa ICAM. See you next time. Bye!